We are here today at Woodlawn and Popley House, and this is part of the Tour de Mount Vernon. This is our 6th annual Tour de Mount Vernon, and we are here to bring folks out to connect, to enjoy nature and our community.
Well, I have participated in it before, and what made me come out today is obviously to celebrate all of the ways people can bike around Fairfax County, particularly Mount Vernon. Whenever we can promote cycling as an alternative way to get around in Fairfax County and prove that you can do it safely, it's a great healthy activity, and we want to encourage that and showcase that.
Community is about bringing people together and doing that around something fun and something educational, and really the Tour de Mount Vernon does all that. My favorite part of the ride is, frankly, right now. You hear the people talking behind me, you see the activity, people getting their bikes ready, and their energy and excitement about doing and getting ready to do something.
Going for bike rides solo or in a small group is exciting, but to see this amount of people come out and want to participate in this, to me, is my favorite part.
This is my first time riding, and I've always wanted to do something like this. You know, I enjoy riding my bike, so this was an event that I thought that I can, get a short ride and enjoy a Saturday morning.
Tour de Mount Vernon is important to me because it brings people together. Not only people that are with us today, but also people who may no longer be with us. And this ride has been dedicated since last year to my best friend, lifelong friend, Dave Evans. Without him, we would not have done the ride because he was the bike rider. He's the one who brought me along and helped me connect to the bicycle community and really helped me make new friends. And it's a way of honoring the living as well as folks who are an important part of your past and sharing some of those connections along the way.